Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on a Chromebook. There are three main ways to get the game running on your device, each offering a slightly different experience. First, you can use the Google Play Store for the Bedrock Edition. Second, the Linux Beta feature enables the Java Edition. Finally, cloud gaming services provide a streaming option for both versions, depending on the service you choose. Let's explore these methods. The easiest way to play Minecraft on many Chromebooks is through the Google Play Store. Simply open the store, search for Minecraft, and purchase the Bedrock Edition. This version is optimized for touchscreens and offers crossplay with other Bedrock platforms. It's a straightforward process, requiring only a few taps to get started, and provides a familiar experience for many players. For those who prefer the Java Edition, enabling Linux Beta on your Chromebook is the way to go. This allows you to download and install the official Minecraft Java Edition launcher. While it requires a few more technical steps, like using the terminal, it unlocks the full Java experience, including access to countless mods and custom servers. Ensure your Chromebook has sufficient storage, at least 8 GB, for optimal performance. Finally, cloud gaming offers a powerful alternative, especially if your Chromebook has limited specifications. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming allow you to stream the Bedrock Edition, while GeForce now supports the Java Edition. This means the game runs on powerful remote servers, and you simply stream the video feed to your device. A fast and reliable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or more, is essential for a seamless experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.